Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Ultra to an Android phone. First, it's crucial to understand the significant limitations you'll face. The Apple Watch Ultra is designed exclusively for iOS, meaning full functionality with an Android device is simply not possible. You won't receive notifications, make calls, or access most smart features. Any pairing will offer only basic, standalone watch capabilities, so manage your expectations accordingly. The primary reason a full connection isn't possible lies in Apple's closed ecosystem. The Apple Watch Ultra is deeply integrated with iOS, leveraging proprietary software for everything from health tracking to app synchronization. Without an iPhone, these core functionalities cannot communicate with an Android device. While you might achieve a basic Bluetooth connection, it will only allow for minimal interaction, essentially turning your advanced smartwatch into a very expensive, simple timepiece. While a true connection is elusive, you can still use some standalone features. For instance, the Apple Watch Ultra can track your workouts using its built-in GPS or play music stored directly on the device without needing a phone. However, for anything beyond these independent functions, like receiving messages or calls, there are no official workarounds. Attempting unofficial methods carries risks and will not replicate the seamless experience with an iPhone. If you're an Android user seeking a fully functional smartwatch, the best solution is to choose a device built for Android. Smartwatches from brands like Samsung, Google, and Garmin offer seamless integration, providing all the features you'd expect: notifications, calls, and comprehensive health tracking. These alternatives ensure a smooth, reliable experience, leveraging the full capabilities of your Android phone, unlike the limited interaction you'd get with an Apple Watch Ultra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.